I first experienced pain about 4 years ago. I noticed when I walked, I would have like a sharp pain in my hip, and then a lot of times at night, the pain would just be horrible.
She was doing everything right, keeping very active, and unfortunately, just because of an arthritic hip issue, she was starting to head in the wrong direction a little bit because she wasn't able to do what she could normally do because of pain.
When I met Dr. Martin, I told him my concerns with all my CAT scans, mentioning how bad my hips were, and then he just asked for a simple exam, moving my legs around to see what I could do and what I couldn't do. He pretty much put my fears to rest and told me that yes, I really had a bad problem and that they would be able to fix that.
Because of how well Christine is aging and how healthy that she is, she was automatically seen as a candidate for a advanced technique and an advanced system where we move people along very quickly to have their surgery. She was as excellent a candidate as we get.
The day of surgery was great. Everyone was nice. Everybody introduced themselves, very caring, explained everything. I knew upfront what was going to happen. Immediately following the surgery, they had me up and walking. The pain was all gone, and I went home the same day. I used a walker when I got home for a few days, and then I switched to a cane, and then within 2 weeks, I was back at work.
It's wonderful to see a person who was debilitated to some level and can return back to what they're doing, and they don't think about the symptoms that they had anymore. The pain is relieved.
Getting back into the pool after surgery, I was a little nervous. I went in, and once I started swimming a lap, there was no pain. I was excited. I felt like a kid again. I was just amazed. I was beaming. Anytime someone says they have hip pain or joint pain, I tell them about Dr. Martin, the caring, the concern, even all my follow-ups, the staff. And they actually knew who I was. When I called, they called me back. I felt like I had a relationship. I just wasn't the patient coming in at a certain time. I'm so grateful that I had the surgery because everything that I couldn't do for the last 4 years, I now can do. I can walk, I can swim with no pain. Why bother going down to the city when you can have a surgery like this right where we live?